Hi everybody. Winston and I are in our van and I'm sharing with you a review of this Mountain House dehydrated meal. It's chicken and rice, and I just wanted to do a quick review of it because I really hate cooking. So dehydrated meal options are really excellent for me. How this works is you add boiling water. So here are the instructions. Open package and tear at notch, which was easy. Remove and discard oxygen absorber, which I did. Carefully add 1.5 cups of boiling water. So I boiled my water. I added it. Stir carefully and close zipper. It has a nice easy to use zipper on here. Wait 5 minutes and then stir it and then seal it again and let it stand for an additional 4 minutes. Now, this is the chicken and rice. Like I said, this is a Mountain House Pro Pack. And I purchased this at REI, but I know that you can purchase them, online or at a lot of different camping stores and retailers. I like to get meals that I can share with my dog Winston. I actually already gave him some of this chicken and rice and he really loved it. So it's surprisingly good. It's not just chicken and rice. It also has red bell peppers, carrots, and celery. So it's a freeze-dried meal. So I'm really impressed. This is actually really yummy. Now, I'm really lazy, and I fully admit that. I don't like cooking. I just don't like doing it. But these meals are a little pricier. So you are paying for that convenience, right? So I think I paid $10 for this meal. So, however, this could probably give me 2 meals. It's pretty big. Like, there's a lot in there. Actually, let me show you. Can I switch around my camera? Oh, maybe not. Well, in any event, this is what it looks like inside. And what's nice about these meals is that you just prepare it right in the bag, so you don't have to do any, dishes or anything really. Sorry, I know the lighting's a little crazy in here, but I'm in my van, so what are you gonna do? I've let Winston have a little bit, of course. I like to share with him. Dogs only live once, so they deserve yummy flavors too. But of course I let it cool down before I give him any. So I'm actually trying 3 different brands of freeze-dried, just wait, Bella, it has to cool down, of freeze-dried foods on this camping trip. So I'll let you guys know which one I like the most. Even stick Winston's out the window a little bit because it's nice and cool out the window. I did boil this outside the van. It's not like very cold or anything outside, so I did prepare this outside of the van. And then of course I'm sitting in my van eating it. Yeah, I like that the only thing that's dirty from this is my utensil. So I don't have a lot of dishes to do, cleaning to do, or anything like that. I'm trying a new beer on this camp trip too. I really like trying new local beers. This is from Santan Brewery. It is Moon Juice. It's an IPA. And if you're a fan of IPAs, I highly recommend this one. So overall, this is a lot of food. It needs some salt and pepper, but other than that, it's really good. I highly recommend this chicken and rice. After just tasting it now, I will buy it again. It's a tremendous meal. It's so easy. And this bag is 2 meals for me, like, no doubt. So I could make it, and then I could almost, like, you know, just cook it up in a pan again for a second meal, to heat it up, and like I said, maybe throw some seasonings on it. But other than that, what do you think, Bubba? You like that meal? I think we give, I'm going to give the Mountain House chicken and rice 8 out of 10. Simply for the fact that it just needs some seasoning. Just needs a little something extra. So, other than that, I would recommend it. But thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. We'll see you next time.